How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram after trying out a business or creator account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been highly requested. Whether you miss the simplicity of a personal account or just prefer its privacy options, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need your phone with the Instagram app already installed and logged into the account you wish to change. Alright, got your phone? Let's do this together. Open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on profile, tap on three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Here in the settings menu, scroll down until you find creator tools and controls. Click on it. Scroll down until you find switch account type. Here you can switch your account to business or personal. Switch to personal account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully switched back to a personal account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out.